In this video, I will show you how to get a Santa's Express token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now there's currently a new album, which is this one here. So if we come down and press on album, you can see it's called Heartfelt Holidays. Now in order to actually win the Santa's Express token, which is over here, what you need to do is actually complete all the sets in this album. By doing so, you're going to win the Santa's Express token, 10,000 dice and 12.1 billion in Monopoly money. So to go ahead and complete these different sets, what you need to do is collect the stickers to fill the different sets, and once you've completed all these sets, you will win the token. So to go ahead and actually get these different stickers, there are a number of ways to achieve this. You can do this by completing the daily tournament. So if I come over here, you can see for coming certain places in the daily tournament, you're going to win sticker packs. Also, by completing your daily wins, you can get sticker packs, as well as completing your sets on the board and spinning the wheel. You can also win sticker packs that way, as well as completing milestones on the current in-game event, which at the moment is Twinkle Tree. And you can see the big reward for this one is a sticker pack with a minimum of 1 5-star sticker. So all you need to do is basically go around, keep collecting stickers. What you can do is trade stickers as well using the Facebook group or the Discord group. So you can see, for example, any stickers we need, like this one at the bottom, so fly. You can see there's a link to a Facebook group where you can go ahead and trade stickers, or even ask for stickers if you don't have any to trade, to see if anyone can help you to complete your sets. Now at the time of recording, it's currently 30 days and 7 hours left to complete these sets. So you just want to keep rolling, going around the board, collecting stickers and completing these sets. And if you manage to complete the sets within the time limit, you will be rewarded with the grand prize of the Santa's Express token, along with the 10,000 dice and 12.1 billion in Monopoly money. So that is how to go ahead and get the Santa's Express token in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.